So it's getting calculated, aggregating the data. So we are summing 186.708 and 35 plus 210679, right? So when I go with sum of this, 186, 68, 81, 50. So what happening here is it is aggregating from what are the records are there. Even you are filtering the last 30 days in the visualization level. The filter we are applying it only for visualization level. So, but it is running total is happening from the all the data. So that's why this is what are the calculation we written, what is the measure we written is correct. But what is my requirement here is, so can you start your running total every month? I want to start my running total every month start. Okay. Suppose if you go with this month start is August 1st, right? This value should be 2085 here. Okay. The next value, the day August 3, sum of these two values, I want to show it here. Okay. So how can we achieve this? The first one is running total. What are the calculation you written for the running total is correct. Okay. If the interviewer asks you that, can you please write a running total DAX? You can write the same. Calculate sum of
Okay.
sales. Order date is less than or equal to max date. That's all. Okay.
Okay.
So suppose if he is ask you that I want to start my running total every month start. So in that case, what you do? So in that case, I can go for write a new measure. Okay. So the running total month. Okay. So here what I will do, same calculation, calculate uh, sum of sales. Okay. So I can go for use the dates between as well here. Dates between. Okay. So where I have that orders, right? Table name is orders, comma. What is my start date? The start date would be start of month of the order date. You can take it as start of month of the order date. Okay, the order date should be start from the month, comma. End date would be max of order date. Okay, you can take it as max of order date. So, all right, how many closes? Yeah, we have done that, right? So you can enter here dates between orders ordered bags and enter and enter. Okay. So this is the way we can write it. Let me go for drag this measure into the report. Okay. The measure we written that where I have this. What happened? Is it saved or not? Okay, maybe it was not saved. Let me write it back. New measure. Out of month. Okay. Is equal to calculate. So everywhere we use the calculate function. Calculate is very important function which we can use it. Sum of sales. Okay, comma. Dates between.
Dates.
Okay. And table name orders we have it. Comma. Okay. Alt enter. And start date is Start of the month, order date. Okay, start of the month, order date, comma, max of order date. Okay, enter. What's the error here? Dates between dates and period functions are only accepted date column reference to the first argument. Date columns is the first argument. Order date, order date. Okay, let me remove this. Dates between. Okay, keep it that filter function. Orders, comma. I have that. So less than start of the month. Let me drag this. Not getting expected results. 316 actual value you are getting. Okay, so no issue. Sum of sales, calculate sum of sales, filter. Start date of the month. We want to get this, calculate sum of sales. It should be get that start of the month and by so Let me rewrite it. So we have the calculate sum of sales, comma, we have it order date. Suppose less than max date we are taking, right? Max of order date. So this one start of the month, right? We can put it start of the month of date. Function start of the month has been true or false expression. It is used to be table failure expression. So then filter all order dates. Hmm, okay. So close it. Okay. 187, 187. Okay, it's fixing. Okay. It's going to be get the total value of that for the entire month. So you can go with 180, 1887235.74. So this is the total value for that month. Again, it's from here. The total value of this month we are getting here, 1819 So that's continuing the total value, summing it. Okay. So
Suppose if you use all function in that Srinivas.
yeah, all I used it, right? All that's why it's getting total value. So I used it all over here. So that's why it's getting order dates. Um, it removing that filter context on the dates. That's why we are getting total value. When we do that, it's getting actual value running. It's not happening some of the sales. Mm, let me think of it. it should be work. Let me check again. Calculate sum of sales. Right. I have the dates between order. Right. We have the orders. Um, so order date. Start of month. Order date. Comma. Max of order date. Yeah. Now you can check it. So we have here the month is starting from first, right? 208565, right? So we are getting 208565,
Uh,
and where is next
2617.
531 we are adding to it 2617,
2617.
and adding 20 2637.
2037. Mm.
So this is we are getting added. For here you can observe that even we are taking last 30 days, this running total starts from the July 1st. The running total
Okay.
here we have it. It starts from July 1st, and the values are adding to it the continuously. Even if filter that visualization level, the running total gets from July 1st to July 31st. Okay, it cannot be excluded. So
Okay.
after that, August 1st, it will be start fresh calculation. You can observe, suppose I want to go for last 45 days. So 45 days, right? Make it 45 days. We can get it from July 1st. Yeah, you can see here 639, 639.
639, 639.
And here second
And here
160.
second
169,
Oops.
809.
Yeah, 639 plus 169. We can get the 899. So the total value, running total will be continue until that 31st of the July, right? Next, when it's come to August 1st, freshly that running total will be calculated. So what is the DAX calculation we written? Just cross check that what we did the mistake and how we can. So just in date between here we need to specify the date field. So this we forgot it to give. Okay. Calculate sum of sales dates between order date, order date, comma, start of the month, comma, max of the order date.
Okay.
Okay. This is simple calculation. We can write it to get the so running total, which can be splitted by the every month. Okay. So you
Okay.
want to be do the same with running total splitted by the every quarter. So how we can get it?
QTD.
The running total can be starts from every quarter start. The simple calculation, right? Here we are in the start of the month, right? Remove the start of the month and make it start of the quarter.
Startup quarter.
Okay.
Okay.
So this total can be start from the each and every quarter. So you can go here, select the table and add this running total. each and every quarter level. So here the quarter three started from July 1st. Quarter three started from July 1st. So that's why you are getting this value here. Let me take it here, 45 and last 90 days. Okay, last 90 days. You can see May 18th. The value is here. It's keep continuing. Until what date it will go for running total? It will do it from the until end of the June. From the uh, June, May, April. April, May, June is the one quarter, right? So it will be continue until the end of the June. From freshly calculation is started from the quarter
July 1st.
three.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So this is the way we can go for calculate the running total, and running total starts from every month, every quarter, and year also we do that. So same way, start of the year we can select it.
Okay.
Okay. So next scenario, I want to get that last 3 months sales. I want to get that last 3 months sales. How we can get it in Power BI? Write a measure to get calculate the last 3 months sales. How we can get it? Just go for write the new measure. Calculate sum of sales. Okay. Calculate sum of sales, comma. Dates in period. We use that dates in period function here. Okay. And we use that order date, comma.
Maximum.
So generally we want to take the max date. Suppose today date, right? Max date. I want to go for 3 months back, right? So you can use that max date here, whatever that. If you take the today, it will take today. If you mention that max date, what are the max date in the data set? It will go for that date. Okay. Order date, max order date, comma. How many intervals you want to go back? -3. What is the
Minus
interval you want to go for is month.
month.
Okay. So specify that. So you can take the max date, have a data here until end of the until end of this year, until December 2024. Let's see what result you can get it here. What result we can get it here. So go for new page. I want to build a new visualization. Let me take this and year, month. Okay. And you can take the sales value here and last 3 months sales. You're not getting the last 3 months sales, right? So each and
No.
every month sales you are getting here. It's massive. If suppose you can call that into here, Take the last 3 months sales. What was the value?
287.
So let me convert a format into auto and none. It's 2,87,000. Right? So I can filter with this data. Okay, I can filter with this data. Okay, here we are getting same 2,87,000. Okay,
Enough.
and let me do uh, go here and order date year. Last 3 months means what's the value we need to get it? It should be the current year last 3 months. Right. Current year last 3 months sales I want to be get it. So I can filter with 2024. Okay. And you can go for last 3 months are this 83 474, 118 457 454 and 85 175. The last 3 months are those only, right? Those three are the last 3 months.
Last 3 months means July, June, and May. I think.
Yeah, actually we need to get that, but here in the data set we have the last month is December. Max date is December 31st, right?
Okay.
Yeah, how to achieve that one also we worked on it. Okay,
Okay.
175.30 plus and 118
8 4 5
4
4.5 5
454.51
0.5
plus
8
83
3 474 0.78.
474.78. Are we getting total value same? Last 3 months sales
Yeah.
only, right?
Yeah. Same. But point wise, it is slightly different.
But our requirement is, yeah, some maybe a slight difference. Maybe we are given wrong somewhere. So it is matching. So,
Yeah.
but our requirement is we want to get say that last 3 months means from today to last 3 months, previous 3 months. Okay. So there, max of order date, we can say that max of order date. Other than max of order date, can we go with dates in period? Here I can mention it today. Let's try this. Can you see the results?
I'm sorry.
August, July, June, May, we are getting three.
Yeah.
Current month and last 3 months.
Okay.
So this is the way we can go for write the calculation to be get it last 3 months, last 6 months, last 7 months, whatever the months you want to be get it. Mention that.
Okay. Now function, Srinivas. Now.
Yeah. Today is it will take only today date. Now means it will give the time as well. What is the time period? Hours, minutes,
Okay.
seconds, hours. Okay, clear?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, work on these scenarios today. Okay,
Okay.
tomorrow we can go for say that few more scenarios. So total empty, it's like running totals or cumulative sum, and how we can get calculated. It's very important. They will ask you mandatorily that question. Okay, try to be
Okay.
right calculation and execute it and keep it in handy that. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. We see a few more scenarios tomorrow.
శ్రీనివాస్ మీ దగ్గర ఉండే డేటాని అది ఫైల్ షేర్ చేయండి Hello.